Got a Rotax 454 crankshaft. Just wondering if the bearings are any good. I don't know if I should replace them or not. These two are the ones I'm most concerned about, these two on the inside. If I move the seal over so there's no noise, is that okay? I mean, I don't know if it's okay. There's a slight wobble to it, but it's nothing major. And it's pretty much the same thing on the other side. That one I think is okay. There's hardly any wobble to it. These ones I can replace. I think I'll replace them. They're on the outside, on the magneto side, on the mag side. You can see it's kind of wobbly. And this one, a little bit of wobble, not very much. A little bit of noise, pretty good. Well, these ones, this one seems to be loose. I think this isn't a big problem. But if I move this over, oh, it makes a little bit of noise. It's free. Makes a little bit of wobble. Here's this one, a loose one. I think I should replace this one. Not that big of a deal. Now this is a 454 crankshaft. What about this? This is a 340 crankshaft. Bearings, it's got minimal wobble, like hardly anything. No noise. Hardly any noise. Can I take these ones, these bearings, and put them on here? Is that okay to do? Are they the same bearing? That's my question. Also, these ones are good. I mean, it's rubbing against this thing, so it's making a little bit of noise. But it doesn't make it doesn't make that much noise. It doesn't wobble. Doesn't really wobble. Doesn't really wobble. They're okay. And these ones. This is the 340. These ones are okay. I know they're okay. They don't wobble at all, hardly at all. These ones wobble more, but I still think they're okay, and they make a little bit of noise. So, main thing is, can I take these bearings off and put them on the 454 crankshaft? Are the 340 bearings the same as the 454 bearings? And if not, if I can, how can I take these off without damaging them? And how can I take these off to ensure that they'll last a good amount of time on this crankshaft? Thanks.